Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, a cleaning powerhouse designed for pet-friendly homes, ideal for removing tough stains and odors with professional-grade results. First, know that every purchase of this product supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, contributing to their mission to help save homeless pets. Your purchase truly makes a difference. This model features a deep cleaning system made especially for pet messes. With its max clean mode, you can achieve professional-grade results, lifting embedded dirt, stains, and odors that other devices just can't handle. Plus, it boasts the fastest dry time of just 30 minutes when in express clean mode, making it ideal for quick cleanups without a long wait for drying. To complement its efficiency, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus includes specific tools for pet owners, a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool and a 3-inch tough stain tool. These are perfect for removing pet hair, stains, and odors from furniture and other delicate spaces. As for power, it uses TurboStrength motor technology, which offers 40% more suction power while reducing noise by 50%, making cleaning easier and quieter. Lastly, its dual DirtLifter PowerBrushes provide double scrubbing action, loosening and lifting deep down dirt from carpets and upholstery. In summary, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is a high-performance cleaning tool, perfect for keeping your home fresh and odor-free, even with pets around. If you liked this product and want more information, you'll find the purchase link in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.